Hello everyone. I think I'm just gonna wing this video today, and normally they don't turn out very good when I do that, but here we go. So first and foremost, I want to thank you guys. I think about a month ago I hit 4,000 subscribers, and maybe like in the grand scheme of things 4,000 subscribers doesn't seem like that much. But I was just thinking about it sometime last week because I was preparing my resume, and I looked at it and I was like, 4,000? That seems like too many. I was like, it's gotta be 1,400. And then I went and checked, and it was in fact 4,000, and I think today we're at 4,200. I am just so thankful. Thank you guys. Thank you for anyone who consistently watches. Thank you to the people who watch my videos and hate them, except not thank you when you leave rude comments. Thank you to the people who actually like want to listen to me babble on for some reason, who leave nice comments. Thank you to everyone. Thank you. But I mean, that's all I can say is thank you. Really what this video is about is I recently, as in like 2 days ago, found this channel called Psych IRL that I absolutely love. It's kind of like a YouTube commentary channel, which is what I watch predominantly on the platform. But they're not like dramatic like a lot of the drama channels or other commentary channels. She's really straightforward and really well spoken. And that's definitely something that I admire because I feel like I'm going through kind of a transitionary phase in life. But anyway, I want to talk about her recent video. What's it called? Something about Bobby Burns. I don't know who that is, but the message of what she was saying in the video really spoke to me.
Imagine being stuck in a job, and your job was to make the same type of mug every single day. And you know, sometimes people got tired of it, but that was easy. You could switch it up and change to a different color of mug, and then people liked it again. But imagine you didn't want to do that anymore. You wanted to make something like plates. I don't know. You give it a try, but people don't like it. People aren't coming to you to buy mugs. You're the most reliable and best mug maker in the world. So now you're forced to choose between doing what you actually want and a paycheck. This is how you make a living. So I know it sounds like first world problems, but I know that a lot of you can relate. And it's like this feeling of feeling stuck, and it makes you so unhappy.
Her message really stuck with me because she was talking about the evolution of an artist and the evolution of a YouTube channel, and how that affects niche channels. I have kind of experienced this as well. When I started my channel, I had no interest in making things about France. It just kind of happened organically, and that I moved there pretty soon after I started it. But a lot of my most popular videos, not a lot, all of my most popular videos, no, that's a lie. A lot of my most popular videos are about France, and that's essentially why I have subscribers to begin with. And I know that's what you guys want to see, but at this point in my life, it's not something that's relevant to me anymore. I'm still processing both the negative and positive things that happened to me during that time, and my interests have just shifted. I'm not as interested in France as I used to be. At this point in my life, things that actually go on in my head are like existential crises, workout, finding a job. I think about marketing. I think about what the hell I'm gonna do with my life and career, because right now I'm working a job, but I'd love to have a career. Like, where am I gonna find fulfillment in life? And I feel like these are maybe topics I want to talk about, but that I have not created a space to talk about them because you guys just want to see videos about France. And I get that because that's what I was uploading and making. But like I said, it's just not where I am anymore. And because of that, I've recorded so many videos, but I feel like they are, I'm not excited to record them. I feel like I have to put on this like happy, bubbly face that everyone wants to see. But, when I go to edit the videos, I don't want to edit them. I think it reads as insincere and inauthentic and just feels so contrived, which I think is something that you guys can read when you watch videos too. Like, we all know those fake YouTubers who are like, hey guys, you know what I mean? So I've just been at I call it like my sophomore year of life, because I had this weird transitionary phase my sophomore year of college, and then now it's like my second going into my third year of postgrad, and I'm also in this weird transitionary phase. And I know it's happening because I stopped wearing makeup and I stopped caring about getting dressed every day. And I'm just trying to figure it out, and I'm not feeling creatively inspired anymore. And part of why I made this channel was to be a creative problem solver. I liked seeing prompts that other people had done basically, and then finding creative ways to redo them or do them in a more engaging and captivating way. And lately, I mean, I don't know, people seem to like these, but I've been making a lot of talking head videos, like this one right here, and that's just not inspiring to me. It's not something I want to sit down and edit. So I don't know. I thought at one point that I might be able to turn this thing into a career, but I'm just not sure at this point. And I've been back in the US for 8 months now, and I thought I was going to pursue this combined with teaching online to supplement my income while this grew, but now I'm just finding myself in this spot where I don't even want to make videos. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. And that's probably why I also don't know what I'm doing with this channel or with Instagram or with my resume or like, ugh. Beyond all that, I still hit 4,000 subscribers, and it's still surreal to me. And I think just to circle back up and try to summarize this a little bit, and if you are staying solely for videos about France, I don't think I'm gonna be making those. And I hope that you'll stay for the other things. I hope that I'll be able to make more creative videos and use this as my creative outlet rather than something that feels like a job that I'm not performing that well at. But then I hope you'll also be able to relate to the newest stuff I put out, and maybe find that relevant to you as well. But most of all, I just want to say thank you to you all. And I want to leave with this quote that Psych IRL said in her video. She said that many people, when they're growing, start to equate their value as artists with likes and hearts and comments and engagement. And this is something I'm guilty of myself. I do this all the time, and I'm going to try to put those aside in the future to create things that I find interesting and inspiring and fun to create. And I hope that you guys agree with me. If not, I love you anyway. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Goodbye, guys.